in sempiternal gray. What differentiates the night when you've never experienced day? Nightingale in a cage, duct tape over your mouth, can't hear what you say. Muffle your cries and weigh you down in chains, trapped in the endlessness of perpetual gray. What makes a face if it changes in different lights? What makes this real if it depends on whose eyes interpret the world and its ways? You're just another nightingale in a cage, thinking it's sunshine when it's sempiternal gray. Nightingale in a cage, sing your song to me. Nightingale in a cage, teach me how to sing. Teach me how to sing. Teach me how to sing.